Unboxing time again. Welcome back to my channel, and out of nowhere, in broad daylight, I got a new package and I know exactly which feature it is. And to be honest, it's not only one. There are three inside, and all from the same anime, and one is about 20 centimeters tall, I guess, and the other two are Nandroid-like. So, anyways, let's open this package, and I don't want to show you the side of it because it got ripped apart really badly. I hope nothing inside is damaged. Would be really sad. So, open this up. Last time I showed you a little broken edge on the BlackRock shooter figure, and I contacted the seller and hasn't responded yet, and I won't buy from him anymore because I hate people selling something, not caring for the transport and not responding afterwards. So yeah, never buy again from you. Anyways, let's get the newspapers out and read them now. Nothing more in sight. Woohoo! So, hold it. Okay. Thick enough so I don't think anything inside got damaged. And always there is tape, and even more tape. Okay, the box is slightly open on the side. That's not a good sign. You can see here. Hope everything inside is okay. So, I'm back, and the box is really badly damaged, but inside it looks just everything okay. So, and now I can see Sora, no Otashimono, Nymph, Alpha, or I forget, Ikaros, and Astraea. And okay, next time I read this first. All three of them. Sadly that Chaos isn't in there too, but I guess Chaos hasn't had such a main role to include her inside this package here. So, oh my god, please stay open. Okay, we need to do it like this. Looking in the box, nothing's left inside, and you can see, whoa, looks like an elephant. Puts his ass on it. So, and you guessed it, there's tape. Still enough tape. I really hate it. Oh, something's down here. Maybe the invoice. Oh, some clips. I'll look into it later. don't know what they are for at the moment. Maybe the basis of Astraea and Ikaros. We'll see. More tape. More tape. And don't think there's more tape. Let's get it open. Holy shit, that's tight. So, first part gone. And oh, can unpack her right now. Oh, maybe I can. Just let her slip down. Woohoo! Astraea in Nandroid size. Not Astraea. Ikaros, sorry. There's Astraea. And now get to the main part. A lot of plastic is wrapped around her, and how can I get rid of all of it? Her hair is totally covered. Let's get this out of the way, and let's see. I have to be careful because of her chain. And here I have to be careful because of her hair. Her lovely twin tails. And I'm right back. And there she is, Nymph in all her beauty. Astraea and Ikaros, these little clips are, I guess, magnetic, and you stick it on their hair pieces, and then you can put them everywhere you want. They're easy detachable. They share just the same surface, so that you can put them easy on it, and yeah, they hold on it. Anyways, that's for this feature. One should arrive next week, and then I have a few pre-orders and nothing more at the moment. So hope I can find some more figures in the next week, and we will see us next time. Goodbye.